I started FPV 4 months ago because I wanted to capture cinematic shots. But another thing I like to do is in the evening, I fly over the lake to watch sunset. I know it's risky, so that's why I don't do anything crazy like freestyle. I just sit there and I enjoy the view. But what I didn't realize is that even if I fly smoothly, the drone can still fall on its own. I spent days and nights searching for it. Fortunately, the area where the drone fell wasn't very deep, so after 3 days of research, I was able to find it. It wasn't in good shape, but I decided I will try to bring it back to life. First, I gave it a good shower, and then I put it in the oven. Now, let's see which part can be recovered. Okay, now everything is dry, so it's time to see if I'm able to recover some parts. So I've already tried the SD card, and it doesn't work at all. So I was expecting it to work, but somehow it got corrupted when falling in the water. But now I'm going to try the flight controller. So I haven't tried it yet. We will do it together. So I will connect it to the computer, and you will see if it's able to recognize it. So to be honest, it looks like it's working. So I think what I'm going to do is I will connect the ESC and I will try the ESC configurator to see if all my ESCs are fine. Okay, so time to connect the battery. Okay, so the flight controller didn't survive the water. Okay, now I know the ESC is not working, so what I did is I used an old SpeedyB stack that is working. I know it's working. So I soldered the motors from the drone that fell in the water. So we will see if those are working. So all of them are fine. So this makes me wonder what happened when I was flying. So originally I was sure that one of the motor fails and that's why my drone fell. But now it seems that all my motors are working perfectly. One thing I know for sure is that I shouldn't have put the antenna in the oven. So I don't know if you will be able to see them, but they are completely melted. Now the VTX is connected. So I will put the goggles on and see if it works. So on the goggles, I'm able to see the OSD. So I believe the VTX and the controller are communicating, but I'm not able to see any video. So I believe there is an issue with the camera. So I will do some troubleshooting and let you know when I get answers. To be honest, except for the frame, I don't think I will be able to recover much from that drone. So as you saw, the ESC is completely fried, so I won't be able to do anything with that. Originally, I was sure the controller was fine, but when I compare it with my new controller, I saw that the LEDs for batteries are not working. So I think the controller is not working either. Except for that, the motors look good. So I'm not sure I will put them on a new drone because if they failed, then I will blame myself. But honestly, they look fine. The Express LRS and the GPS seems to be working as well. But the Express LRS module was finicky, so it wasn't always binding with my remote. So I'm not sure I will use it. So it looked like it's working, but not as I wish. So I'm not going to put that on a new drone. Then there is the SD card. So as I said, it's totally gone. So I will try. There are some tools to recover corrupted drives. So I will try if I'm able to see something. If I'm able to recover something, I will let you know. But for now, I think it's gone. Then we have the antennas, but they are gone, but that's because I put them in the oven. But perhaps they would have been working otherwise. And as you can imagine, the battery that was on the drone is completely gone. But one thing that is surprising is the VTX. So when I power the VTX and I put the goggles on, I see that there is a communication. So I'm not able to see a video feed, but other data is transferred between the VTX and the controller. So I'm able to see things like battery voltage, bit rate and stuff like that. So I believe they are talking together. So what I hope is the VTX module is fine, but the camera itself is broken. So I've already ordered a new Moonlight kit. So I will try the brand new camera from the new kit, try it on the old one to see if the VTX module is working. So if it works, I will give you an update. So I want to learn acro mode, and sometime I'm practicing. So perhaps what I will do is I will use this frame and the motors, and I will put them on a practice quad. So even if I crash it, it won't be a big issue. This is me from the future. So I just received my new Moonlight VTX. So I will take the camera from this one and put it on the old VTX module and see if it works. Okay, so it's not working at all. So I have the same issue as before. So I can see the OSD like a battery signal and stuff like that, but I'm not able to see any video feed. So unfortunately, it seems like the VTX is not working at all. So that's it for me. If you have a drone, don't fly it over the water because there isn't much parts you will be able to recover. So that's it. See you next time.